Hello, dear royals. Welcome back to my channel. So good to have you back. Now, if this is your first time, welcome to the family. So good to have you here. If you are interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, you're in the right place. Please subscribe.
Subscribe, share, like, and comment.
Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And today we have a very interesting tutorial to show to you how to make Ayurvedic hair mask using fenugreek and Chebe powder to get you that super rich deep conditioning hair mask. Enough talking, let's get into the kitchen and make this hair goodness. My name is Aman with MC Keys. Let's go.
And then you'll die.
Welcome back to my kitchen, dear royals. Okay, look at that. Now the key ingredients are fenugreek and Chebe powder. The other ingredients that you would see here is optional, but I will strongly advise that you add palm oil to your mixture, okay, if you want to. Now I'm just showing you what we're gonna be using. Sesame oil, that's what I'll be using anyways. Peppermint, Alma powder, optional. What I did, I strained my my fenugreek powder, and also strained my Chebe powder because I was trying to reduce the amount of residue in it. And then I added my whipped shea butter. I whipped this with coconut oil and macadamia oil. Yeah, it's super cool and soft. I normally keep the shea butter just for the purpose of deep conditioning the hair. And I'm going to go in with some spoons of Alma powder. Alma powder is going to provide extra strength. Now, the fenugreek is rich in iron and protein, which will strengthen the hair, and it would make sure that your hair cannot break easily. That's my okra gel. Now, this is optional. I just wanted, a little bit more of moisturizing agent. And now I'm going to go in with palm oil. Like I said, if you can, please add palm oil, because palm oil maintains the collagen of the hair. It holds the hair together, reducing hair loss and promoting growth of thicker hair, healthier hair, while at the same time it helps the hair to slow down the appearance of grayness or gray hair. And that's my extra virgin olive oil. This oil is a good penetrating oil. It moisturizes. I love extra virgin olive oil, and whatever I do, I always go for extra virgin of my oils. And like I said, the key ingredient, please do not think that you need all of those ingredients. You only need Chebe and fenugreek. Just make sure that you are adding some kind of oil, and that's my sesame oil. Now the only reason I'm going in with this oil is because I have it. Okay, whenever I go to the Indian store to get me some Indian herbs and roots, I just pick up some Indian oils or oils there, and that's my mustard seed oil. And I'm also going to go in with a tablespoon. Don't worry, in the description box I will add the full recipe for you, the measurements, and that's how we do it. Okay, so I didn't know that I was running out of honey, but that's honey. I was supposed to go in with a tablespoon of honey. Yeah, I got this honey all the way from, my dad helped me to get this honey all the way from Nigeria. It's very rich, it's natural. And that's it. That's the much oil honey that I got out. But if you have some honey at home, make sure it's natural, and you're only adding a not teaspoon, tablespoon of honey. Honey, like we know, is a humectant, so it would help to drag all that moisture from the air and into your hair. This is a good time to use honey because it's summertime. And that's our super rich forest growth oil. This oil is infused with biotin, vitamins D and E, and all the super rich oils and essential oils. So good for if you're trying to double your genetic growth pace, you want to massage your scalp daily with it. And it's so moisturizing to the hair. I'm going to go in with a tablespoon, and I'm also going to leave the link to this oil in the description box. And that's a peppermint essential oil. And I'm just going to go in with some drops of this and then water. That's a teacup of water, because remember I added okra gel, and that okra has a lot of water in it too. But the water that I added wasn't enough, so I went ahead and added more water. You saw the first mix, it was too strong. No. So I'm just adding more water and, just blending it to mix it up. And that's it. Look at that. This is the end product. Ta-da! It was soft and nice and fluffy. Look at that goodness. Look at that rich goodness. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Uh, and that's our model. Now, this video is a follow-up from the old video. Please go ahead and watch the Ayurvedic oil video. I'm going to also add a link. So I used the oil and conditioner and pre-put my daughter's hair, washed it out with shampoo, and now I'm about to add this rich conditioner, deep conditioner. And I'm going to go in with the forest growth oil just to massage a scalp. I started to do this recently. Usually I will massage a scalp before making the hair, right? Like the last thing. But now I just want to massage a scalp before applying the deep conditioning mask, because I'm going to cover her hair with 3 plastic cap, and that with the oil on her scalp or in her scalp, that's going to be so good for greenhouse effect, where I'm creating this tropical environment and allowing her scalp to produce enough sebum. Sebum is a natural oil that our scalp produces, and with all that rich oil with vitamins and biotin, oh my God, you don't want to know how great this hair will do. Soft and, of course, stimulates massive growth. So that's me going in with a generous amount of the Ayurvedic Deep Conditioning Mask. I can just call it Fenugreek and Chebe Deep Conditioning Mask. Okay, and I usually go in with a generous amount, just going with a lot. Make sure you're making, and the quantity that I made was supposed to be for 3 heads of hair. So that's why I always make enough. Okay, I use like a cup of fenugreek. You saw that. Like I said, the recipe will be in the description below. Please look at that. Yeah, and the palm oil in this mixture, palm oil contains some 40 acids. They are in the line of omega-6 and omega-3. Palm oil can really soften your hair, for real. I love it. Yeah, look at that. Prior to the previous video that I'm referring to, the one with Ayurvedic oil, I left this hair out for, oh my God, over 6 weeks, So I'm doing all of this to bring the hair back to life, nourishment. I'm just massaging it deeply in it, and I'm going to put the hair in a twist. I usually would put a flannel over her back. I forgot, but that's okay, because it's a messy mask. And I'm all done, and that's the flannel. Yay, I remembered. Yes, we all done. We're all done. I'm going to go ahead and cover her hair, like I said, with 3 plastic cap and have her go play for an hour or more. Do not wash the hair in anything less than 30 to 45 minutes, please. And I'm done. I took out the plastic cap, and the hair is soft. The curls, oh my God, you can see that popping. And now I'm just rinsing out the hair mask. This whole thing has strengthened our hair, moisturized our hair. It has given our hair a lot of rich nutrient, and just leaving it in for that amount of time, it allows the hair to, feed right. Okay, so now I have rinsed our hair, towel dried our hair. In this section, I added leave-in conditioner. Is the okra leave-in conditioner. It's also, I can also leave the link to that in the description. And then I added my moisturizing hair butter. It's also going to be in the link, the website where you can get the forest growth oil. And usually I would add little forest growth oil before I go ahead. This is a bonus video for y'all. I just started twisting my kids' hair without rubber band. At first, when I twist the hair, it's never tight enough on the base, so I will support it with rubber band. But look at this, look at me, look at me, look at me, I can twist. This is the second time I'm doing it. I did it first for my first daughter's hair, and it was so good. So now I can twist. Let me know in the comment section if you want a full or detailed video on how I do this. But look at what I'm about to show you. Look at this. Just keep looking, and you see the length of this girl's head. By the way, she's 6 years old. Look at this. For the fact that once upon a time, she had no hair around the parameters of her head. But now, look at this length. She's getting past waist length, baby waist length. She's heading to tailbone, like her sister. I need to measure this hair again. I need to measure this hair. Look at that length. Can you see that? Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so excited. And she wants her hair to be so long like her sister's. So I'm so excited. Look at the length. Look at the length. Look at that. All done. Shrinkage. Shame on you. Shame on you, shrinkage. But all done. Neatly done. Beautiful. The camera did not do justice to my beautiful twist. Oh, camera, why? But that's it. Thank you for being here. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much for watching that tutorial. Let me know in the comment section, are you gonna be making this hair food? It's really rich. It's gonna strengthen your hair, grow your hair, give you volume. Your hair will never be the same. Is your button still red? Oh no, please turn on that, click that button, okay? Subscribe, and turn on our post notifications so that you get notified whenever we drop another hot gem. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.